How to recover Facebook account without email, password and phone number. So if you want to recover your Facebook account without the email, password and phone number, then you just need simply open up your Google, go with your Facebook support, tap on Help Center, or you can also just simply tap on Recover Your Account. It will take you to this kind of interface. Go with the first option, recover your Facebook account if you can't log in, and then tap on www.facebook.com/hacked. Now go with next. Now you need to enter your mobile number or your email address or your name. After that, go with search, and if this is your account, then you can use your Google account to log into your Facebook. So if you've not logged into your Google on the device, then you just need simply go and log into your Google account, and once you're logged into your Google account, it will automatically log you into your Facebook with your Google account. But if you've not created your Facebook with your Google account, then you can go with try another way. You can go with send code via email, or you can enter your password, or you can also use your Google account. So if you don't have access to your email, password and phone number, then the only other way is to log in to your Google, and then you can reset your password. So go with continue and sign into your Google account, and you'll be able to recover your Facebook account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.